The thermal crochet stitch creates this nice thick fabric. As you can see, it's thicker than most stitches, has nice even edges. There's a small or slight stretch to it, but you cannot see through the fabric at all, and so this works great for bags. Begin with a slip stitch and a beginning chain in any number of stitches. I'll begin with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to begin by crocheting in the back loop of the chain. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through to create your single crochet. Continue working back loop single crochets all the way across your row. To work the next row, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. To work the thermal stitch, it's easiest if you just turn it so you can still see the full row. You're going to insert your hook into that back loop of that single crochet. Then you're going to come down and grab this unworked loop of your beginning chain. Now pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete that single crochet. You've completed your first thermal stitch. Again, go into the back loop and the unworked loop of your chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops to complete a single crochet. Insert through the back loop, go through the unworked loop of the prior row, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, continue to the end. Row 1 has been completed. To continue to the next row, you're going to chain 1. Again, you're going to turn, but it's easiest to just kind of rotate for that first row. You're going to insert your hook into that back loop and then grab that unworked loop of the prior row and complete your single crochet. Back loop only and into the unworked loop of the prior row. Complete your single crochet. Again into that back loop and then the unworked loop of the prior row. As you can see, as you do this, it's kind of folding that last row over, which is what creates that double thickness of the thermal stitch. You're going to continue to work these rows until the desired length has been reached. Once again, this is the completed thermal single crochet stitch, and as you can see, this is the completed look of multiple rows.